Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we will discuss about the gold and platinum. So, here we will discuss basically these two metals, in which the first one is gold, and its symbol is like AU, and the symbol of platinum is PT. Both the gold and platinum are basically noble metals, and these noble metals means they are not reactive, or they can be also called as they are inert metals. So basically gold exhibit no type of the reaction with the air and water, and also do not itself corrode when it is exposed to long period of harsh weathering conditions. Means if we have the gold and we just keep it in the water and all that present in the presence of oxygen, which is in the atmosphere, then there will be the no reaction. It's mean the gold is a noble metal, it is inert towards the water and oxygen. Likewise, when we talk about the platinum, it is also an inert metal, or called as the noble metals, because it do not get react with the other substances. Now, what are the main properties of the gold and platinum and their uses? We will learn it over there. So here we have gold. Gold is having high boiling point and melting point. The boiling point means the temperature at which it started to boil, and the melting point means the temperature where it started to melt, or where it changes into the liquid from solid state. This is the melting point. Boiling point of the gold is 3080 Kelvin, which is very high temperature. On the other hand, the melting point is 1338 Kelvin. So the unit Kelvin has been used, which is the standard unit or SI unit of the temperature. Now the gold, the most of it is ductile of all the metals. It means it can be easily converted into wires. So it is ductile, and malleable means it can be easily converted into sheets. So here we can see these are the wires of the gold and these are the sheets of the gold, and the color of the gold, you can see that it is almost yellowish in color with a specific shiny surface, and this surface is also called as it is having a lustrous surface. On the other hand, the gold itself, it is very soft metal and it is very unreactive metal, and malleability is the ability to flatten into the sheets, and ductility is ability to changes it into the wires. Now, as it is very soft, so we have a lot of uses of gold around us, that it can be used for different type of purposes. So let's discuss these uses. The first one use is it can be used in the making of the jewelry or the different types of the ornaments. So in the jewelry we can use its bangles, we can use its different types of necklace, bracelets, as well as the rings. On the other hand, a wide range of electronic products can be made from it, such as the computers, the telephones, and the different home appliances. Here you can see that these are the different chips of the computer. These are known as the computer chips. Now here we have the some gold gold has been planted in this, so it is used in the making of the computers, telephones, and the different types of the home appliances. Now we have the properties of the platinum over there. Now the platinum is also a noble metal. It is called as the noble metals. It do not react with the other substances. So the pure platinum is lustrous. Lustrous mean it possesses a shiny surface. It is highly ductile. Ductile mean it can be easily converted into the wires, while like platinum wires. It is highly malleable. Malleable mean it can be easily converted into sheets. The platinum sheets can be used, and it is also like a silvery white metal. Basically, its color is silver white and having shiny surface. Then platinum is more ductile than gold. If we talk about the ductility, then platinum is more ductile as compared to the gold, silver, and the copper, thus being the most ductile of the pure metals, but it is less malleable. So, what the platinum is less malleable as compared to the gold. Malleability means its sheets are less as compared to its wide formation property. Then this metal has excellent resistance to corrosion, means this metal do not corrode, and it is stable at high temperature and also have stable electrical properties. So it is the most stable metal that we have. So that's why it is also very expensive, or we can also say that it is very rare. So that's why it is having a lot of properties around us. Now here we have the uses of platinum. The platinum is used in a lot of different ways. First one, it is used in the formation of the autos like 36 to 42%. It is used in the making of the jewelry and the percentage is 26 to 35%. And we have a lot of industrial uses of the platinum, which is 21 to 26%. And it is also used as an investment process for the different people like point 1 to 15% in detail. So it is used in the making of the jewelry and it is also used in the making of the many appliances like the autos and the industrial. Likewise, the platinum is also having some type of unique properties. The which one is its color, its shiny surface, its beauty, its flexibility, along with its resistance to tarnish. So that's why it is provides a secure setting for the diamond as well. Likewise, the rings that are made up of diamond, here we use the platinum for its setting, and different gemstones are also attached to this. So this why platinum is also used in the production of the hard disk or hard drive coating, and also coating the different types of the cables. It is also used in the manufacturing of the fiber glass. So these all are the different uses of the platinum we have. So this was all about today's lecture about the properties of gold and platinum. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the non-metals. For that time you guys keep learning and have a good day.